Are you tired of hearing about get-rich-quick schemes that go nowhere? Do you want a real, sustainable way to build an income online without needing to buy, store, or ship a single product? Then this is your complete guide. Today, we are diving into 10 legitimate online business ideas that require zero inventory, and they actually work. Each of these businesses can be started from home, scaled at your own pace, and monetized using tools you already have access to. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-blown online empire, there's something here for you. So grab a notebook. This could be the moment that changes your financial life. Let's start with a quick reality check. You don't need to be a tech genius. You don't need to spend thousands on inventory. You don't need to quit your job today. But what you do need is a shift in mindset. Think digital. Think lean. Think scalable. Because online business today isn't about building a warehouse. It's about building value. Now let's break down each of these 10 business models. And at the end, I'll show you how to start one of them today with tools like Chime for banking, Robinhood and SoFi for investing your profits, and H&R Block or TurboTax to keep your taxes clean. Let's go. 1. Print-on-demand store via Shopify or Etsy. Imagine designing a hoodie today and someone in another country buys it tomorrow. You didn't sew it. You didn't ship it. You just got paid. That's the power of print-on-demand. You create digital designs, maybe for t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, or posters, and connect them to a fulfillment platform like Printful or Printify, which integrates with Shopify or Etsy. When someone orders, the item is automatically printed, shipped, and delivered. No inventory, no packaging, no risk. Pro tip: use Canva to create high-quality designs and upload 10+ variations to test what sells. Monetization: sell on Etsy for built-in traffic, or run niche ads on Shopify for higher margins. What niche would you target? Funny quotes? Pet lovers? Anime fans? 2. Affiliate marketing blog or YouTube channel. Do you like to review products? Recommend apps? Share opinions? Then affiliate marketing could be your goldmine. Here's how it works. You create content, blogs, YouTube videos, social media posts, and insert affiliate links to products. When someone clicks and buys, you get paid a commission. Example: talk about SoFi's savings accounts, include your referral link, and earn when someone signs up. Tools you need: website, use WordPress or Wix. YouTube, free to start. Links, use Fidelity's affiliate program, Amazon, or Robinhood. What products do you already love that you could review right now? 3. Digital course. Creation. If you can teach it, you can sell it. Are you good at photography, Excel, budgeting, or fitness? Package your knowledge into a course using Teachable, Thinkific, or even Gumroad. Sell it to people who need your skill and get paid over and over again. Passive income from digital skills. No inventory, no shipping, no recurring cost. Use TurboTax's free budgeting tools to plan your course income tax strategy. What's something you've taught a friend recently? That might be your first course. 4. Subscription newsletter or paid community. Email isn't dead, it's profitable. Create a niche newsletter with Substack, Beehive, or ConvertKit. Offer a free version and charge for bonus content. Example: a weekly newsletter on passive income strategies with exclusive case studies for paid subscribers. Or go deeper. Build a paid Discord or Slack group around your niche. Monetization: $5 to $20 a month per subscriber. Tools: Substack, free. Discord, free. Payment: Chime for banking and managing deposits. What topic would you write about every week, even if no one paid you? 5. Freelance services on Fiverr or Upwork. This is where most people start, and for good reason. Do you write, design, edit videos, do voiceovers? You can create a free profile on Fiverr, Upwork, or TopTal and offer your service worldwide. Tip: niche down. Instead of graphic design, try YouTube thumbnails for finance channels. Monetization: charge $50 to $200 per gig. Build repeat clients. Scale into an agency. What skill are your friends always asking you for help with? 6. Dropshipping with branding. Twist dropshipping has changed. The old method was to copy products from AliExpress and hope for sales. Now, the winners build a brand. Use Shopify plus a US-based supplier like Spocket or Zendrop. Sell niche products with custom branding and fast delivery. You never hold inventory. The supplier ships it for you. Use SoFi to track your income and reinvest profits automatically. If you had to sell one weird product with your name on it, what would it be? 7. Sell stock photography or audio. Do you take photos or record music? You could earn passive income by uploading your content to stock platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Epidemic Sound Pond. Every download earns you money. Even simple sounds, like city traffic or water dripping, are valuable. Open your phone right now. What's your last photo? Could it be stock-worthy? 8. Licensing digital assets. Digital assets equals fonts, icons, PowerPoint templates, Notion dashboards, Canva templates. If you can make something others can reuse, you can sell licenses on Creative Market, Gumroad, Etsy, and Vado. No shipping. Sell unlimited copies. Evergreen sales use H&R Block to manage digital business taxes and licensing revenue. What's something you've built once that someone else would pay to save time building? 9. Voiceover and audio. Work, got a mic in a quiet room? Then you can become the voice behind ads, explainer videos, podcasts, and YouTube channels. Upload samples to platforms like voices.com. Fiverr. Bunny Studio $100 hour is common once you build a portfolio. Reinvest your income using Fidelity's automatic investing features and build long-term wealth from short-term projects. Try this, read a script out loud. Do you sound clear, confident, and natural? 10. AI Automation Agency. This is the newest frontier, and there's almost no competition yet. Use AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Zapier to create automations for small businesses. You could offer AI content workflows, automated client onboarding, custom GPT bots for e-commerce. Businesses will pay $500 $5,000 a month for this. Monetization stack. Build with free AI tools. Get paid via Chime Save. Invest via SoFi. File your income with TurboTax. Which repetitive task in your life could be automated with AI? Feeling inspired? Don't overthink it. Here's your 5-step launch plan. Pick one model from the 10 you heard today. Set up your basic tools: payment, hosting, delivery. Create one offer or service. Market it. Social media, Reddit, niche communities. Track every dollar using Chime or SoFi, then rinse and repeat. Start messy. Improve fast. Earn your first $1 online, and it'll change how you see everything. Before we go, here's the toolkit I recommend. All free or affordable? Chime. No-fee banking for digital entrepreneurs. SoFi. High-yield savings, investments, and student loan help. Robinhood. Invest your online income into ETFs or stocks. Fidelity. Long-term retirement investing. SEP IRA, Roth IRA. TurboTax. Tax filing made easy for creators and side hustlers. H&R Block. Live support. If your taxes get complicated. These aren't just tools, they're habits. Financial habits that set you apart from the crowd. If you made it this far, you're serious. And that's what it takes. Start one thing today. One service, one product, one platform. Because the truth is, you don't need inventory. You need initiative. This has been your guide to 10 online business ideas that require no inventory. Now it's your turn to build. Save this video. Rewatch it when you need motivation. Share it with one person who needs a fresh start. See you in the next one.